Hey guys, Shax here, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Autods for eBay dropshipping. First of all, I'm just telling you all the steps that how can you register on the Autodesk website in order to dropship. For eBay website, we just have to open our Autodesk platform like this on our home screen. Then you simply have to type Autodesk for eBay, and then you will see the eBay dropshipping tool. You can also enjoy a 14-day trial for only one and then cancel it anytime before the 2 weeks trial time. Here you can see where you can use this, that is Trustpilot App Store of Shopify or Captra. You simply click on the Get Started button in order to get started with this. Enter your Gmail ID, full name, and your password. After that, you will register on it. It will redirect you to the eBay shopping website, and then you can choose the product and then simply drop ship to this website. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.